Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to align multiple images in Photopea software. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see align multiple images. Now we show the home page in Photopea software. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option. Now find your picture. Now select from picture in the multiple picture. Now click for open option. Now you can see then we going to the tick mark option and going to the layer option. Now select from all layer. Now move the in front of in the background. Now select first picture. Now keyboard press Ctrl T and this is your picture. Now click on tick mark and second picture. Now keyboard press Ctrl T. This is the picture and last picture in the same process. Now click from tick mark option. Now you can see then we show multiple picture. Now multiple picture in the align. Now select from all picture in the all layer. Now align option. That it's. Now you can see multiple picture in align in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.